Good evening, everyone. Students, I hope you must got the chapter in a very positive manner. The way I have presented to you, students, which is presented by obviously all the time. Okay, let's continue what we had. Today is the last part of the same chapter. Today, as I have promised you yesterday, we would be having a question answer session of this chapter. So here we are with the chapter A House is Not a Home, which is written by Zan Guadioso. And students, if you would remember yesterday in the story, we had seen that how the narrator got back his cat and how happy he was, and he became very much positive with the charity with the school people have done, the students and all that. He got the new friends and all that. His house was also rebuilt, so all this made his life very happy. So that's the chapter was there. Now let's have a look on the question answers. What does the author notice afternoon? And what is his mother's reaction? And what does she do? So, if you would remember, students, on that Sunday afternoon, he was doing his homework, and the cat was nearby his table or his work, and suddenly he saw that the steam was coming out from the roof, from the and the simply reaction was simply we my mother's out and my mother's went back sorry mother went back again to the house to bring. First she brought the metal box, then of the documents, and then she brought some memories of his father, the last memories which my mother never want to lose them. That was the reaction of the mother. And that was what does she do, when the mother came to know the house was set on the fire, so she made me also, and we both ran out of the house. That was the reaction. And she she just does what did she things the bring back from the house. That's what there quickly she is bringing, and we just went to the outside of the house, and the way the things were going on. Okay, now next question is, why does he break down in tears after the fire? Obviously the things were not good with him, according to him. Like, I can't say the things were bad. New school, new classmates, not everything is new to enjoy over there. It's all about mentality. But the narrator was missing his previous school very badly. That's why he was finding it hard to adjust with the new school, exactly. So, and top of the most, his house was also set on fire. He lost his cat also. So this all these were the things which break him down, and he was in tears. Okay, after fire. Then the next question is, why is the author deeply embarrassed the next day in school? If you would remember, he had to wear tennis shoes because the time when he was doing his homework, he has removed his shoes, but the uniform he was wearing, so uniform was survived, but his shoes were burnt with the fire. So, which word shows his fear and insecurity? If you would remember, he compared himself like wanted to be, he wanted to die, wanted to commit suicide. He don't want to show his face to anybody else, and like he asked to himself to be an outstein, to be an outcast and a geek all my life. So, like these were the words. You search more if you could found, which compared his fear and insecurity. Okay, let's move on to the question number 4. The cat and the author are very fond of each other. How has this been shown in the story? Obviously, it can be seen whatever the work the author is doing. Everywhere, cat is found till he did not lost her. All the time she was there, touching her, faring into her like by her tail or by pen or paper or something to something else. He used to wake the cat up or something like that. Everything, and the cat was the only thing which he was missing very badly when she has lost. And another question is, how has the story shown in the story, so that you will be explaining in your own words that how much he was missing his cat very badly, and how the things were going on in his life. And then the next question was that simply in the same manner, the next question move on that Where was the cat after the fire? So, according to the narrator, when we came to know that she must have run away 1 mile away because she was very much freaked from the fire. And then who brings it back? A kind woman, because who did a very hard job, because you know the phone number was must be there in the collar, but the lady can't couldn't contact to us, as our all the phones were also set on fire. There were no connection at all. So, but she did a hard job. She worked hard, and then anyhow she managed to find us, and in this way she found us and she brought the cat back. Okay, the last question is, what actions of the schoolmates change the author's understanding of life and people and comfort him? So, actions, if you could remember, the actions were there, which was uh, and comfort him emotionally. Like, how does this his loneliness vanish, and how does he start participating in life? So, simply the things which basically comes up in his life is there, that he was the schoolmates have done a lot of things for him. Like, they have charioted whatever things which they can. Means almost all the schools have done a charity with him, which he was not expecting from the people like him. I means he was strange among them, so he was not expecting that much help for him. So comfort him emotionally. So in this way he became emotionally attached or touched, and his in this way, when people became friendly to him, so his loneliness also vanished, lost almost, and he start participating in life also with others, mingling with others. And the last question, which you can't see in the screen, student, but I'm reading from the textbook only. The last question is, what is the meaning of my cat was back and so was I? If you could remember in the last video, I made you understand this line also. Cat was also back because she was lost, and I was also came back because I also wanted to die at one instance. Like, at one moment came in my life when I wanted to die, but I returned back. So, had the author gone anywhere else? No, he did not go anywhere else. But mentally, he was feeling to go somewhere else, means for forever. Like, he wanted to die. Why does he say that he is also back? Because he just wanted to die, because whatever the kind of things were happening nearby, but now all the things became okay. So he came back. He was back to life, you can see. So that the last sixth question is quite important, and I couldn't adjust here the last page it is here. So remember this and do these question answers in your notebook. Stay safe, stay home is still for you, class 9th you are in. So that's all for today. Bye bye everyone.